So I want to show you how you can get DA 80 and above, do follow, high quality in content, everything you want, backlinks using Perplexity AI. And it only takes like 5 minutes and it's completely free to do as well, which now I feel like I shouldn't be telling you because everyone's going to start doing it. But hey, there's no gatekeeping here. So this is a page on a random website that's been catching my attention recently. It was published way back in 2020, but it's recently been picking up some great high quality links. You can see if you put it into even a free backlink checker like this Hrefs one here and check backlinks on this page, you'll see that it comes up with this 85 DR backlink. You can see on SEMrush as well, I've run it in through here as well. You can see it's getting this authority score 676 backlink. If you want to check this stuff yourself as well, there's a free 7-day trial link in the description for SEMrush that you can try. It's a complete set of SEO tools for you. But more importantly, how is this site generating these links? Well, it all stems from something I noticed the other day on Perplexity, which is linked to this Hilton versus Doubletree pages that's on the Perplexity platform. You can see that Perplexity pages, which is an area of the Perplexity platform, actually publishes links which are rankable for Google. You can see this Hilton versus Doubletree page is ranking top of Google, and it brings you to this curated article. Now, if you're on Perplexity, you'll notice this Discover section here brings up all sorts of articles which are written and curated with the help of humans by AI. And we can use this sort of little hack to unlock these links for ourselves. But there's a little problem with it, and I'll show you why it's not as easy as you first think to build the link. Let's say we want to create a page. We're going to do this live here. Let's say we'll create a page about the best SEOs in the world. Pretty on topic. And the aim is we want to get a link and a citation to me in this curated article. So you just put your sort of article title, keyword, whatever you want to call it, in the top here and hit the enter button. I just need to interject here real quickly. This is a brand new channel, and if you get anything from this video at all, do me a digital handshake, hit the subscribe button, and comment with where you are on your journey below. And Perplexity is going to immediately go and start curating and writing this article. You can see it's mentioning some of the top names: Neil Patel, Brian Dean, Rand Fishkin, and then writing about them below, as you would expect a best of article to be on any website. And what's cool is you can see this page is immediately published even while it's still writing. So this is going to actually create as a page an indexable link with Google, and through the page you can see that wherever it's cited information from, it's actually been leaving a link and a citation there. You can see Neil Patel, it's got loads of links to his website, and that's going to have happened for everyone else, Brian Dean and co there. Problem: this article doesn't mention me or have a link to my site. So we need to find a way to tweak it. Well, you can use this continue editing button at the top and say, like, ask it for exactly what you want. Can you write about Elliot Prince SEO and include a link to his website, https://elliotprince.com. And we're going to see, we might have to nudge it a couple of times to actually get the link in there as well. But you can see it started researching me and looking at my LinkedIn, citing my YouTube, but it hasn't actually added a link into my website. So we could actually go and say, like, continue editing this with some custom instructions by highlighting a bit of text and say, like, include a link to his website, https elliotprince.com, and see if it does it this time. Sometimes it needs a couple nudges to rewrite and add the little bits that we want in there, basically. And we see now with his website, elliotprince.com, which is going to be a link. Boom, that links to my website, which is still being built. We've got everything we need. We've got me cited and my link in there. Now we can get a little bit even more cheeky and start moving this. You can edit and start moving sections around. So we could even move me, if we're feeling really cheeky, which we are, to the top of the list above everyone else, above Neil Patel. Even go and add some media in for everyone. When you hit the add media button, you can change that out. It's gone and looked at my YouTube actually here and allowing me to put in my own media from YouTube. It can do the same for Neil Patel. It can do the same for Brian Dean, Rand Fishkin and co. Now, the final little thing we want to do is, because we've been editing this, we want to actually get myself cited in the introduction as well. So you can get it to rewrite the intro. Now we've included myself, and you can see my name is now high up on the list as well, which is pretty cool. We could just check this Top image isn't loading for some reason. They're not loading off LinkedIn. Let's put the 10 best skilled SEO experts in the world, and boom, there we go. And that link you can see here, if you hit the publish button now, copy that link, it's a live link around the web that is indexable by Google. You just have to wait for Google to find it. You could build a couple links or use a tool like Indexceptional to actually force this to be indexed. But in a few days, weeks, months, depending on how quick this happens, you should start seeing these links show up in your SEO tools and on Google Search Console.